Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Buy Me a Coffee. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to buymeacoffee.com. You'll come to a page that looks like this. From here, we want to go ahead and click on Start My Page. It's free and takes less than a minute to set up. So go ahead and click on Start My Page. And then we need to create your account, so choose a username for your page. So I'm just going to type in my channel name, Tutorial Wiz. Hopefully it's not taken. All right, green tick, I'm good to go. So from here, click on the yellow sign up button on the bottom right hand corner. From here, we need to create an account, or we can sign in with an account. So I'm going to create a new account and sign in at the same time with my Google account. So tutorials 27 here. Continue. Alright, then from here we need to go ahead and complete your page. So put your name, about, and your website or social link, and also upload a profile photo. I'm just going to put a quick about me here, and then I'm going to put in my YouTube link. But this can be any website or social link, but for this demonstration I'm putting my YouTube channel. And then from here we need to also upload a profile photo. Alright, then from here I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Alright, and then we need to set up the payment method. So choose your country. This takes less than 3 minutes, and then you'll be redirected to Stripe to create your account and enter your bank details so we can send you payments. So for me, I'm going to choose my country, Australia, connect. And now we need to go ahead and connect our Stripe address. So put in your email and then click on submit. Alright, then from here, after you've logged into Stripe, business type, let's start with some basics. So your business location, your business type, and business structure, and click continue. Now you need to fill in this, tell us more about your business, so legal business name, ABN number, company number, and all that stuff. So keep scrolling down, your business address, business phone number, website, description, and then click continue. And then once you've done that, you can configure your offering, so you can offer multiple types of support like one-time donations, membership tiers, extras, digital downloads, shoutouts, etc. And now how to use Buy Me a Coffee. So you want to share your link, so it's going to look something like this. Buymeacoffee.com, your username here, and then you can promote this in your social media bios, YouTube video descriptions, newsletters, Twitch, email signatures,